Hello students. Today I am going to continue explanation of chapter 3 interdepartmental and employee related correspondence. In my previous video I have explained you meaning of memo, characteristics of memo and model letters of memo. Today I am going to explain you employee related correspondence. Introduction. The importance of valued employees has increased due to increase of technology for business activities of an organization. Presently, human resources are considered as wealth in business, so it is necessary to appoint efficient employees and to retain them. In these circumstances, the process of recruitment of employees, promotion, transfer, demotion and end of the service are to be properly handled, and the correspondence in this regard should be done appropriately. Meaning of recruitment. In an ordinary sense, recruitment means to appoint required employees in a business firm or organization. However, the meaning of recruitment is not restricted to recruit a person or fill vacant posts. In a broader sense, recruitment means to appoint an employee at a proper time with proper qualifications and in the required number. The main object of a recruitment process is to obtain a qualified person from the experts from the concerned field. In any organization or department, when there is a vacancy because of the introduction of a new department, on the demise of an existing employee, or when a vacant post is created due to the promotion of an employee, new appointments are required. At that time, recruitment procedure is conducted. Recruitment procedure is of two types, direct and indirect style. First, direct recruitment is that type of recruitment when an employee is appointed from the present or past employees of the company. Second, indirect recruitment is that type of recruitment when an employee is appointed through the medium of advertisement or job placement agencies. Model of letter regarding recruitment. Letters related to recruitment include advertisement, letters inviting applications, letters informing written test, letters of invitation for individual interview, letters written to intimate preliminary selection, final selection, medical test, etc. Now, we shall study model letters pertaining to recruitment. First, letter informing to remain present in written test. Here on the letterhead of the company, name of the company is printed, VT Parekh Chartered Accounts and Company. Then on the right hand side, address of the company is printed. Then date, month and year of writing letter is to be written. Then on the left hand side, phone number and email address is printed. Then receiver's name and address is written. Then subject. Here the subject is written test for the post of an accounts officer. Then on the left hand side, salutation, sir. Then body of the letter. On the basis of the mark sheets and certificates presented by you, we find you eligible for the post of accounts officer in our company. As per the recruitment procedure of our company, a written test is planned for the above post for all candidates. The written test will be objective questions of 200 marks. This test will include general knowledge, knowledge of accounting on computer, tally, and other issues related to accounts. The written test will be of 2 hours. Successful candidates will be called for personal interview. Details of the written test are as below. Here the details of written test are given: date and day, time, venue. Then strict observation of the time duration is expected. Then on the right hand side, closure, yours sincerely, name and signature. Then on the left hand side, note, candidate has to remain present for written test at his or her own expenses. Second, letter informing to attend personal interview. Here, name of the company is printed on the letterhead, Kaveri Communication Center. Then, on the right hand side, address is printed. Then, date, month and year of writing a letter is to be written. Then, on the left hand side, phone number and email address. Then, on the left hand side, receiver's name and address. Then comes the subject. Here the subject is about attending personal interview. Then on the left hand side, salutation, sir. Then body of the letter. In reference to your application dated 25th June 2017 regarding assistant officer, we let you know that your qualifications and experience are suitable to the post. You are requested to appear before the selection committee for a personal interview on July 2017, Thursday at 1:30 p.m. at our head office. You are requested to bring original copies of your academic qualifications and certificate of experience. Those who are working presently should produce no objection certificate, NOC, from the head of the institution where they are working. Then on the right hand side, closure, yours sincerely, name, designation and signature. Then on the left hand side, note, no allowance or expenses will be paid to remain present at the venue of interview. Meaning of recruitment. After giving an advertisement for the recruitment, qualified candidates are selected. The procedure of selection varies in different organizations, firms or units. The basis of selection depends on the size of the organization, its scope and types of employees, etc. After selecting the employee, he or she is appointed for the post for which he or she is selected. Candidates selected are given appointment letters. Details covered in the letter of appointment. Generally, the following details are included in an appointment letter. First, letter begins with words of congratulation. Second, the designation for which appointment is made is mentioned. Third, it is clarified whether the appointment is on probation or permanent or part-time. Fourth, the period of probation is mentioned if the appointment is on probation. Fifth, the appointment letter carries information regarding salary, allowances and increments to be given to the employee is provided. Sixth, candidate is informed to send an acknowledgement letter or is informed of how many days he has to report on duty. Seventh, the appointment letter ends with good wishes. Model letter regarding appointment. Here, name of the company is printed on the letterhead, Radhe Industries. Then on the right hand side, address is printed. Then date, month and year of writing letter is to be written. Then on the left hand side, phone number and email ID is printed. Then on the left hand side, name and receiver's address is to be written. Then comes subject. Here the subject is regarding appointment of assistant manager. Then on the left hand side, salutation, madam. Then body of the letter. We are pleased to inform you that you have been successful in the written test conducted on 28th February 2017 by our company for the post of assistant manager and thereafter in the personal interview too. We congratulate you on being appointed to the said post. Your appointment is subject to following conditions. 1. Your probation period will be of 1 year from the date of assuring your duty. Your appointment will be made permanent if your performance is found satisfactory during the period. Second, you have been appointed in the grade of 9,525, 13,000. You shall be entitled to get other allowances and leaves on completion of the probation period. Number third, you shall have to present yourself with an acknowledgement letter before our manager on or before 30th March 2017 till 12 p.m. Then on the left hand side, best wishes. Then on the right hand side, closure, yours sincerely, name, designation and signature. Thank you.